Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here. Remove the two fasteners securing the air filter housing. Make sure that the fasteners are fully disengaged before removing the old filter. Use a flathead screwdriver to loosen the air hose clamp. Remove the fasteners. Lift the housing and free the tabs from their catch. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AF3594 filter into the housing. Reinstall the housing by sliding the securing tabs in. Re-engage the fastener. Reinstall the hose clamp. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.